person who will build his brand. This is like a whole American style. This is American style? Yes. Like now this guy is taking a home. Alex. Yes. You stole my Mukamba lady. I didn't stole her. But looks like now we don't have a choice. Looks like now we have to support him more. Oh.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to Explore with Sam. So today we have another one. So we are talking about Marwa, it is Nasto and Mr. Mutua. So Mr. Mutua is currently in Yabuhanzi village. He flew all the way from USA to come and visit this famous village. So guys, as you know, previously, we had notified you that Marwa is building a home for his Soja, and the house construction has already started. And guess what? Finally, the big boss from US have decided to go and visit this home, which is currently under construction. So, guys, what do you think about this act? Maybe imagine someone coming all the way from the US to the village, and then decides to go and visit a soldier. This is a kind-hearted person. So guys, that's it. Until next time, I've been your host, Sam. See you on the next one. Bye bye.